Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Deepsphere AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Deepsphere AI's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in deepsphere.ai and make a search. The official page of Deepsphere will appear on the screen. Tap on three lines at the top right corner of the page. Among the displayed options, tap on Login. On the next page, enter your username or email address and password associated with your Deepsphere's account and tap on Login. Tap on Lost Your Password option in case if you don't remember your password. If you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Remember Me. This is how you can log into your Deepsphere AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.